Yeah, guys, it's early morning. I'm geared up, getting ready to get out of here. I'm meeting up with my bestie today, my cousin, and we're gonna go deep sea today, guys. Yeah, definitely. Haven't been able to get out. Car's been down, and I've been wanting to get my kayak out, guys, and trust me, with the car down, it's been difficult. But don't worry, guys, put something together today. We're gonna get outside, waiting on my bestie to pick me up. She'll be here shortly, and she's almost here, guys. And we're heading out this morning on the deep. That's what's up, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. We're at the dock. We're getting ready to load the boat up, guys. The boat's outside there. It's actually right there, guys. So we got to take one of these kayaks real quick and get out there to the boat, bring the boat around to the dock, load the boat up, and we're off. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Guys, we're going to do some messing around fishing meantime while we wait on Yam to get here, guys. See if I can pick up a barrel real quick. Most likely can here. Yeah, guys. See if Shore Fishing can pick something up real quick this morning. Early morning hit on the lure, guys. Normally you could pick up 1 or 2 barrels here. I don't know what happened. Nothing's chasing. Three casts and nothing chased. Yeah, guys, so just seeing what was over there to see if there was actually anything sitting over there while we wait. No chases, but some little baby jackfish. I got baby jackfish chase. You heard? Baby jackfish chase. Like baby shark. Yeah.
Send me the link for what we need. I'll make me order them here.
Yeah. See, I really don't want something to hit it behind this boat, because as soon as they hit it, they're going that way, and there goes my line. That's why I don't like fishing in piers, because inside of boating piers, because there's so much pylons. I've lost big fish because of those damn pylons already. It always happens to Yam here. Big carpet or something hooks onto your line here, and then that's it. It's on and popping. Oh, fish on.
Oh, yeah.
Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. He went onto the boat. Heard when this bad boy got me this morning, guys. Look at this. We sitting here talking. Striker.
Yeah.
So the morning started off good this morning, guys. Jalissa.
What we caught?
Yeah. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. That's what's up. Just hold the wire lead up there, because it's gonna bend if you try to. Let me grab the hook. I can get him into the cooler. Calm down, fella. I got you. Ah, there you go. Nice and easy. One down. That's what's up, guys. Ah, boy, that was good. One down. One down already. Nah, one jack. Yeah, nice jack too. Hey. No one jack in there. Yo, he licked the line good, you know, man. And yo, yeah, I mean, just go so on that boat, yes, and chop. So,
Morning, ladies.
Frigga go chop round this boat, yeah. Look how I'm frightened. I say, yo, Frigga, yo.
Then me go so look what someone borrow you so. One borrow there so I mess with.
The barrel kind of bend barrel like.
Yeah, yeah.
I wonder if me hook him on the ear get tricked because he not see too well.
Me hook one over there so he juke out, you know, and let him go back. Hey guys, doing a deep sea adventure today. Waiting on my friend Shower to get out the bathroom. I'll have to use the restroom to make sure that everything's copacetic. This is our boat, and we're heading out. You know that Shara almost dropped her phone overboard a while ago. Yo, she caught that on the side. I know a nail probably chipped from that catch. I say, yo, one big baranda, finger right, that's what I say, man. Roll after I lower, but you know, grab you know, brother, I hope saying and grab you the coil, you know, yeah. That would have nice 5 pound kill this one, you know.
Big one about 3 one.
Yeah, man, in the right hand I boat, that's man. Yeah, guys, so we out with Cousin Yam today. We're about to do some real good fishing today, guys. And won't turn off cameras until we reach out, guys, but you don't know how we're set up already. We outside. This is it. We on the not a Ross again. Yes. I don't tolerate it a Ross and not a Ross. But anyways, big up YouTube channel monetized now. Yeah, outside. What's up? No. I'm getting ready to drop my deep diver in the water real quick. And pass the sailboat out here when you drop the line. We don't hitch up in any more mooring balls. Yeah guys, this is what a fish finder do. This is what real gears do. Gives you your speed, your depth, everything, and the contour of the water underneath. So, this is what's up, guys. Technology in fishing. Yeah, guys. First hook on the morning. New lures. Lara, hook him. Yeah. Watch your leg, watch your leg. Yeah. That's what's up, guys. We got one already. Haha. Woo! Woo! Yeah, that felt good, boy. Damn it. Yeah, guys. Gotta knock him out. He almost hooked my nose. Oi, oi, watch your leg, watch your foot. Move, move, move.
Somebody has come back over here.
Cooler?
Yeah.
Yo, guys, off the cooler. Give me, come here. Yeah, guys. That's what's up, Magic Lure. We hitting them again, guys.
Make sure you're not cheating on wire.
Yeah, man, why you lead? Straight like, oh, you think me don't come out there, sir? Are you teach me, no, boss? Chris are the wire master, you know. Boss, yeah, you teach me, you know, man. You bring me in this lure game, you know. You forgetting?
No, man, I'm not forgetting.
You bring me in that lure game, you know.
Yeah.
You what? I just want to put me on the lure game, people. And I tell us, yo, trust me ever since, man. Lure God. I need a heavier rod for this shit, though. This rod can't manage that shit. This fishing rod and reel, I need something heavier. This shit is not for this. I felt that fish on there a while ago. I felt like the rod was gonna break. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah? But the drag on this cheap reel I kid you not, the drag on this cheap reel is working. It's a Plushino reel. I give it to you. Yeah. One thing about these tire I do now. Hard to come in on backside when time come. So jump on me. Alright. Good start first. Now you want another lure. I got another lure on this rod. I'll set that rod out. Good enough for me, kill one fish. Yes, it's weak, but I'm not telling a lie. One fish dead. Alright, let's see what this one's gonna do next. Pick up yourself, guys. So this is it, guys. Shoaling fishing in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is what's going on, guys. How we doing? Got the line set. Fresh line on the rod, guys. Just landed a 10-pound barra. Landed like a 1-pound jack earlier on the light setup. Got more rods and stuff up here, guys. We have everything set up already to drop, do whatever we need to do. So, this is what's up. Short rod. Here, guys, this is what's up. Just have to change my lure to get that bounce. So if you're trolling and you're not getting that bounce, that means your lure is not swimming good. So I'm getting a good swim now. You're getting that bounce. That's what's up, guys. Jamaican Sure Fishing. Yeah, man. Got Captain Shara here at the wheel. Yeah, outside. Yeah, I'm here stringing up something. Leader line. Ready to kill something on that. We'll hear something go off in a bit, guys. Shara, come on, Shara.
Keep pressure on it.
Pressure on it, you know, Shara. Pressure on it, you know. Hold on, let me tighten up your drag a little bit.
Yeah.
Go on.
Joe, you can't video this on me, Joe?
I'm videoing it. Hold pressure upon them, you know.
Pump on one, pump on one.
Pump on one, Shara. I put it, let it up on you, you know, you that, you know. Bring him in, Shara. Keep pressure upon it. Don't let our pressure off him, you know. No pressure to come off him. Shara got this, people. Pressure, Shara. Come on, work it, girl. That's what's up. That's what's up, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Shara's at it. Yeah, man. Something big just hook on the line, on Shara line. Look, wild people. She's bringing it in. This is what's up. That is it. Come on, Shara. Kill that bad boy. Yeah. That's what's up, people. That is a monster on this big lure, you know, people. I want big purple lure we got on the thing, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Come on, Shara. Working, baby. Come on, working, baby. I know what's up, baby. Working, baby. That's what's up, girl. That's what's up. Work it.
My arms are tired.
You know. Call it when you look at him. Look at the size. Come on, work it, work it.
Come on.
Video, come on. Come on, baby. Bring him in. Yeah, I'm getting the gaff. Bring him in. Come on. Wiley, don't let off pressure. Don't let off pressure. Come on. Shara got this. I got 9% of battery left on this, people. I just want to get a glimpse of this. It's a big barra. Get the gaff.
Watch it there.
All right. Come on, Shara. Let me slide out of their way, guys. Let me slide out of the way. Hold on.
Don't lift him here.
Don't lift him. Don't lift him. Let Yam gaff him. It's a big barra. Come on, Shara. Woo. Gaff him, Yam. Watch him. Yeah.
Look at the drag.
Look at it. Gotcha. Watch the lure. Watch the lure. Watch the lure. Don't let him flash you with the lure. Yeah, guys. That's what's up. Watch your leg, Yam.
Sorry.
Watch your leg.
Sorry.
Hold the rod for a second. All right. Just don't move. I got you. Go on, Yam. I got it. Slide over. I got him. Here, guys. Look at this. Big barra. That's what's up. That is it on the big purple lure, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man. Work Shara like a $2, you know? Here, guys. Alright. Take out the pliers out of my lure bag. Shara. Wait. Hold him up, hold him up, hold him up. Step on him, young. Alright. You guys. Alright. Big purple gone again. Yeah, Jamaican Sure Fishing. At it again. Yeah, man. Outside peoples. That's what's up. Let's go, so drink some mango. Nah, man, seriously, salt water always make your stomach feel better when you're feeling sick. Huh?
Never hear no one there.
Or drink some water.
Something that. Hold him down, man.
I want suck finger.
Let's stop with that about
I
that.
put it on YouTube. YouTube, my friend, Delisa, I suck finger. YouTube, he have attitude too, you
Your
know.
mother have to spend money for a plate.
Braces. Hey, no, cut the corner too close, too close, too close, too close. You got a nice weed for me now, you know. Oh shit, you got a nice weed for me, brother. Two of them. Two of them got a nice weed. Alright. Get out there, guys, for me to get it in. Come in, baby. Come in, baby. Let me get you clear. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. I got one of them. Alright. Yeah, guys. Can't get too close to it, yeah, you're gonna hit us up in it again. I'm gonna clear the next one. I'm gonna drop this one back. Drop it or no?
Drop it, man. Drop it.
Jigging for some blackjacks. They're actually not that big, but they eat pretty good. So, trying to maximize our fishing today, guys. There was some deep drops before and not picking up much on that, so we moved over to doing some jigging. So, all said and done, guys, that's what we are here doing. Jigging up a storm. Let's see what we got now. Come on, baby. Striker today. Yeah. Ouch. Calm down, buddy. That's following the boat. I just had it on video. Wow, I was trying to get it on video, guys, but
Yo, we line that close tonight. You have to be here. I'm going to use get down blackjack. Yeah, you know, in front of sandals and stuff. Close in, man, but half mile in. Oh, alright. So we line out there, so I get blackjack back over.
yeah, that was a dolphin. That was a dolphin that jumped out the water. I seen it. But I hope you don't grab my lure, bro.
Yeah? Oh, alright, alright.
The dolphin won't grab our lures, really?
No, it doesn't. Alright, but it's good.
Got another one on. As I said it, guys, the line hit. The line hit as I called it. I said there's a barrel right around here someplace or something, and you got my name on it. Yep, guys, big barrel. Get Gaff. Gaff, quick, cause you ain't hooked good. Hook him. Ah, got him. Move.
Bring him in there, bring him. Put it on.
Fuck. Hook him. Woo. Careful that line.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get rid of the line. Let me free up the line. Did he hook it? Did he break the line?
No.
Let me get the pliers. Pliers.
Careful that line, bro. I'm a hydraulic line.
Me know. Oh, fuck. I got it.
Oh, yeah.
Woo. Yeah, guys. Another barrel today, guys. Woo-hoo. Here's Jamaican Sure Fishing. You alright? The barrel hunter. Yo, that's my diabolical laugh. Like, woo! We have barrel to go home with, all three of us, guys. That's what's up. Yeah, man. That's it. Another fishing trip, guys. Heads up. Gotta get all the gears off and get them off the boat. Cooler gotta come off too, right?
Take off the cooler if I don't carry it.
Yeah. I kind of figured that out a while ago. Put this right there. Careful, watch when I hung a pop here. So I have to grab this side. Put it right there. Now come take it up. Yeah, guys, this is our catch right here. This is it. This is the end of our day. Yam went to go park the boat. We just took some pictures. And I'm about to get busy cleaning these bad boys up. I just had to dispatch this guy a while ago. He's still twitching a bit. But I'm going to get busy cleaning these guys up, guys. Stay tuned. We are out here, guys. Dress up yourself, Jamaican Sure Fishing. There, guys. So, just getting these things are slippery as hell, boy.
Like you guys left them in the pool that in dirty water. Slimy water.
Oh, that's them that has the slime on them. You guys made bun and cheesy and offer me on y'all are mean, man. I'm gonna order me some chicken tenders from the club and some burgers. Guys, I'm not even trying to get wet. Oh, this last one.
Yeah, rush them by carry one at a time, one at a time.
Yeah. Can't let it, that's alright?
Yeah, man.
I want my rock there when we just have.
Guys, think of yourself, guys. The rain got me off guard. I was just cleaning up the fish a while ago, guys, and I had to literally just book all the way back here a while ago, guys. Look at this. Look how good the weather was just now, and look how quickly it changed. And that's why I've said in my last video, the weather's been on us lately. It's ridiculously hot. Good day, how you doing? So, it's like we're here at Montego Bay Yacht Club, guys, where we launch our boat from, and now Marina Palms restaurant and stuff. And if you're in Montego Bay area, guys, make sure you link up. Drop me an email, and I can give you more information how to do this type of fishing. I'm waiting for this rain to blow off. Once it blows off, I'm going to send back to cleaning those fish up again. Pick up yourself, guys. Jamaican Sure Fishing. We are out here, guys. Stay tuned. I'll get back to it once. And I'm definitely going to do a hookup on this, guys. I might not get it done today. Let's see how that goes. But I still haven't cooked dinner yet, so I might just do a hookup on some fish outside. And Sure Fishing. Pick up yourself, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We just got done deep sea fishing, guys.
We did some trolling. It was me and Shara from Jamaican Sure Fishing. She's here. She actually pulled in a humongous barracuda today, guys. You will definitely see that on the video, guys. We did some deep line dropping. We did some jigging, trolling, the whole 9 yard, guys. So we're heading in now, and we're definitely gonna do a cook up. All right, guys. So stay tuned for this. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Here, guys. As you've seen from our video today, our catch. So the barras that I caught and Shara caught, and the jack that I caught from earlier this morning, along with the black jacks and the small jacks and cardinal snappers that we caught underneath the reefs. So basically, is guys, I'm gonna steam these guys up today, do some steam fish. So I'm gonna get busy now and get my hands cleaned up. I was just getting this stuff cleaned up and prepped up before I started. This is for the steam fish and stuff that I'm about to do. So what I'm basically doing is getting our vegetables ready and get these ready and sorted out so we can just go ahead and just get the stuff in there. Get these vegetables cut up. Alright, so getting ready to get the steamed fish in there now. We gotta get some butter in this pot, because that's what we use. Let that melt out pretty good for the steamed fish, as the fish and vegetables gonna all gain liquid anyways. So let's get a good amount of butter in there and get that melting up, right, don't we? Hi guys? Outside, guys. That's what's up. Got our fish. All our fish, I can't put everything on top, guys, but let's get it up there anyways. We're gonna steam all this fish up with all this okra and stuff, guys. So let me get the seasoning in the pot and get this cooking. Alright, guys. What's up, guys? Get that in there in that butter. Let that steam down a little bit, guys. Wow, whole heap of vegetables tonight, guys. This is what's gonna bring that, isn't it? Let's get that second batch in there, guys. That's what's up. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get some of these fish seasoned up real quick. Get busy with seasoning up some of these fish right now. I would normally just drop a score in it. So that this is small, guys. I mean, these are black jacks. They were underneath the reefs, underneath the seaweed bed out on the ocean. And I dropped the jig in, and I was hitting them left, right, and center today. That's what's up. That's how we do it at Jamaican Sure Fishing, guys. Stinking bitch. Alright, guys, I made a mess. Alright, guys. Let's check on our steam stuff now. Alright guys, that's where it's at. Now I can get this fish in here, guys. Alright, so we're going to get some of this stuff out, put it in the bowl back, and then we're going to drop this on top of the fish after we get the fish inside. Alright guys, and I'm trying to get these fish in here so far, guys. So let me get this fish over here, get these bad boys in here as best as we can, and packed in here neatly so we don't break them up when we take them out, guys. Alright guys, so I have to take some of this stuff out so I can drop this stuff back on top after it was semi-cooked down already, guys. So now let's get the rest of the ingredients in here, right? Now for the magic time here, so get these crackers in there, guys, and get them spread across the top. Hard crackers, guys. It's the Jamaican way. Yeah, man. Get them in here steaming and soaking up some of that gravy, guys. Yeah, man. I have to get another dish. Just rinse off here. Yeah guys, so we're here again and we're getting some food shared out here, guys, and getting it together and get some food in our system. We've been on the water all day and it's been a hectic day, guys, so I'm just here getting ready to share out some food. The spatula over here, and next pot open. I gotta get me another spoon, guys. Get this over here. Got rice on this spoon. Alright guys, so let's get some of these crackers up off the top here first of all. Get those up. That's the first thing that's going to go on the plate, guys. Be these crackers that's soaked up. Yes, peoples. I hate this, you know. Yeah, man. Get some of my baby juice, yes, sir. Yes, guys, that's why baby juice. I'm calling the baby juice. Met the babies. And you see it, peoples. So, have to make sure we have a whole heap of that pan of rice. You want some gravy? Yeah. So, I hit that, guys. Now sit down. And we'll go on and enjoy up some of the good food here. We'll cook up on a Sunday. After me and Shara spent the whole day. I mean the whole morning, not the whole entire day, because we came back pretty early today. That wasn't that bad. And came back, guys. And we're about to do the taste test in this. Let me jump in it real quick. Right. Guys, let me see. Peoples, I eat that. Sell off. You know, say, back food, these people. That's why I have so much bikini, but Alright guys, we're gonna end this video like this, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you for joining Jamaican Sure Fishing. Thank you for your support. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Please watch the ads, and that's how we make a little bit of revenue, guys. And big up yourself, guys. One love. I want Shara to tell you before we go off.
Lovely. See, I can't move from the kitchen as yet.
That is it.
Lovely.
We're stuck. We can't walk. We have to just hold tight and clutch right as what people. So, guys, take care, guys. We are out here, guys. One love. Jamaican Sure Fishing.